Good morning, good morning. So, definitely bearish. We're rejecting highs, making lower lows. And my draw on liquidity today is short term is going to be this right here, and then 18,940 on ES. And a second, let me just. Send this to the homies. Let people know I'm live. So, yeah, definitely bearish. We are rejecting highs, making lower lows. We got a bearish order block on 6 hour and 4 hour. We got a 4 hour CISD right here. So definitely think we're bearish.
That was good.
Morning, Jesse.
That's good.
And I'm just gonna be trading 3 cons at once. So I want to see Judas up.
So again, we
And then back
retrace
down.
back to this, but would I use this for entry? Absolutely not. Again, it's just
We're super
50.
low in
You don't want to short an IFG this low in discount. So.
in discount though, so I just don't want to be shorting this. I need to see us come retrace. Yeah.
Negatively inverse. If we somehow pop up over this and get a ton of momentum, then yeah, I would say yes. That would be good.
So this is an OTE entry, well, kind of this current leg, but we're just so. I mean, I'd be looking for longs right now, even though I'm bullish and bearish. Excuse me. Even though I'm bearish. You're rejecting off rejection block right here. See here at this current leg. And we are OTE of this current leg. I mean, I'm not super clear right now, so I think I'm just gonna sit out on the sidelines. We get a rejection block. If we create a 5-minute CISD here, this rejection block, then I'll be bullish up until London highs and Asia highs. So that'd be my target, but I'd probably just be scalping. So let's see what happens at open. Might get a Judas down, take off the sell side, and then yeah, let's see what happens here. It's waiting to open. So yeah, it's definitely looking a little stronger, but it's a 5-minute, that's why.
Yeah, it's possible with CPI and Merco.
So, got 1 minute still open. Okay, rejecting that 5 minute SIBI. I think it's going to be a continuation. So we got an 8:30 reversal. This is 8:30 open right here. 8:30 reversal. I think I'm going to continue down on sell side here. Take out 974, and then potentially go down to 940. But we're so much in discount that
It's just not good in versus too low in discount.
another target right there. I need to see the Judas back up.
Like, I want it to reject, but you don't want to be bearish here. But it's just not working.
Alright, here's it open.
I mean, it is working, but it's not working.
We didn't retrace back up to 50% yet of this current leg. So maybe retracement back up to 50%. Hit this 15-minute SIBI and then back down. All right, I want to see. Ideally, I want to see if I'm long. Ideally, what I want to see is a sweep. This sweep, NQ sweep this low. CISD in the 5 minute, back up to London highs, and then ES leave these lows. That would be ideal.
YM and NQSMPs are like not good SMPs. I mean, they're alright, but the strongest SMPs are always going to be between NQ and ES. So, like, I'm not like, oh, I'm never long this bearish SMP between YM and NQ. I mean, they're just so uncorrelated that that's what it is sometimes. It's fine.
Any London trades, guys? Or just trades today in general? Before 9:30 open? Guess I'll come to you guys close to the application stuff.
That's 50%.
Oil, nice small trades.
Oh man, that would have been a great entry. I think that's a soup. That's a 50% retracement up here, down back to the lows.
Alright, we have equal highs in ES here. Okay, from the London session.
We're bouncing from a possible 1 hour rejection block. Got the sell side, we got lots of equal highs above. So if we get a 5 minute CISD, then I'm going to see a retrace of that.
Yeah, guys, always share your trades.
Okay,
We'll
we
see
got-
them, and it's just beneficial for the group to bounce those ideas off of each other. Learn from each other.
And we got a gap, so I'm definitely long right now. I'm bearish I'm on
Okay.
bearish,
No
bullish
930,
bias right
no,
now.
yeah.
Okay, so
Push from Nas.
that's a breaker right there. Shoot.
Okay. We also have London high here. Look at the highs that formed right at 157 and 159. If that ever happens, I typically just classify that as London high, because even if it was the 2 a.m. high technically right here, right?
1890 at 10
We want to
points
see
on.
price go to and through that, so you expect
Man,
that obviously by
I
extension.
think I'm gonna
to
miss this
take
move.
it. So that's
So we
even.
rejected here. I want to see retracement. Come back down. No gaps that are making. Okay, we got a.
This gets greater.
Okay, we got a 5-minute CISD. So if I get a tap back into 1900, I'm taking it.
So that hourly BPR is not going to be formed here. We did come up into this order.
Order working.
So I want to see a tap back into here.
Hourly bearish inversion here.
5-minute CISD. And let's see if we get a retrace. We got a 1-minute order block right here.
ES not doing much.
Gosh dang it.
Okay. Of course, we want to know where we are at and what we see at 9:50 macro. 10 a.m.
Alright, I want to see a slight rejection off here.
All the signatures we look for.
Dang, that 1-minute CISD was the one right here. Right as soon as we're close above this, I should have seen that. And then retap entry right here into this breaker. 1-minute breaker, 5-minute CISD.
Dollar.
I'm now in premium, or we're in no longer in discount of this current leg. So I gotta see at least come down to this.
Void here.
I think I'm gonna put,
This would be really nice to get filled if we get a long setup on indices.
here we go. Reject off here. I wanna see I'll put a buy right
Order
there.
working.
At the hourly chart for that.
Should I? Right there.
Order filled.
Okay, got one
Even
fill.
$1. Got some relative equal lows here.
And got filled on one. Alright. So I don't,
June 9:30 fair value gap. Fair value gap formed at 9:34. On Nas.
think we're gonna fill this gap. Maybe scalp this.
Order working.
Let's see if this order block hold. We got a 5-minute CISD right
S&P
here.
is still doing nothing. So we have
Breaker.
a discrepancy between markets. You want to see indices move in the same direction for clean moves. Okay, on top of the fact it's a Monday with no red folder news. Large expansion last week. We're inside Friday's range, which of course is NFP's range. Okay, and both markets are moving in opposite directions or failing to
Wow.
move together at the moment. Right, that is subject to change. That's not ideal for us. So this is what I was speaking about in previous calls and today too at the start of the call. I want to demand I see something high probability if I see any setups or want to take any trades. Right?
Order cancelled.
But we'll just adjust these levels as
I'm gonna cancel that. I don't like.
I doubt we stay in this 6-point range for the next 22 minutes, but it could happen.
Rejecting off of these.
And let's get our London high here on S&P. 5358.
So There's our breaker. Another breaker entry here.
Order working.
So if we are to go get the lows, I'm curious to see, obviously we want to see that 930 fair value gap fail, okay? Just because it is a significant inefficiency. We know, we've seen time and time again how the algorithm refers to it, how it uses it to accumulate, propel price higher or lower, depending on the bias of the day, depending on where the liquidity pools are, where the objective is, right? But on days like today too, so what do I mean when I say I require more? I want to use time and price. There'll be times where I see it close below this 930 fair value gap, and I'm expecting volatility. Maybe we had an 830 red folder news event. It's not seeking destroy protocol, right? I would take this before macro, at least for a scalp with a 930
And I think we're just gonna go up and hit my target right there.
Significance to me today is how we utilize this if we are, unless we expand away now, if we are in close proximity to this, okay? How do we use it during the
I'm gonna see this
macro
new
to
log
price together?
really
It's just the higher time frame levels, right? Quadrants of a 4-hour BISI, a daily BISI, an hourly breaker, an hourly order block, right? You want to see those key reference points get worked during the macro. That's the KRB macro model, and we're using that same logic with significant inefficiencies in the lower time frame, okay?
Okay, never got filled. Got one contract in,
So if you guys see
and
what's happening here, NASDAQ pushed just short of 40 points above opening price. And yes, all the way down here, making lower lows. Right? And
super,
this is trading, so
wow,
this is
super
what I'm excited
uncorrelated.
about. The fact that we're doing live streams every day now, because this is the reality of trading, right? Not every day is going to be a day where you get 200-point moves to all-time highs or enormous dumps and it's just beautiful fill and it's a 3-minute trade and you make 10K, right? The reality of trading is that
Let's see how we react in this new week opening gap.
right? Like a sniper, right? You have your ammunition, and that's the tools in our toolkit, okay? Our macro signatures, our macro CISD, macro VPR, macros in general, right? Macro power 3, high probability PD raise, those are your tools. That's your ammunition. You're not just shooting and wasting all your ammunition, right? You're waiting to strike, okay?
I think I'm gonna hold till these London highs.
Just so we don't have to keep switching and so we can stay organized. Let's pull up just 15-minute charts.
Let's see this 15-minute BPR.
Utilize them for higher time frames.
Let's see what 30-minute hour looks like. Yep, new week opening gap. Excuse me.
So even if we have highs and lows here,
All right, I'm gonna see how we react to this new week opening gap.
we have highs and lows.
So I'm gonna get this off here. Like we'll want to cut.
Order cancelled.
Right, and just as a rule of thumb, I'll kind of let this holding range play out. If you're ever feeling like overwhelmed on the lower time frames, all the signatures, 1, it takes time, and 2, zoom out, look at a naked chart, open up the template, and just look for the liquidity. Look at where price seems to be going.
Okay. Nice. We got ES moving up now. ES up to low. We got nope, that's not SMT, but we got a breaker there. Okay, I really want to see it push through this new week opening gap. And should I just take my money here and be out of this high? I don't want to reach for this. I don't. Oh man.
S&P. So as you can see, I'm just going back to the higher time frames to put together just the fundamental, the framework of what price does. Where does it gravitate towards? Okay.
Can you see this 5 minutes? We got a
So
5 minute.
liquidity, and then I just want to know where we are in relation to the key
We got
time.
a 5 minute BPR.
Price. And lower time frames, 930 opening price.
I think we're gonna disrespect this. We got a minute left. We create an inversion off of this 50-minute, and I think we're going back up. So we got a minute left. Get past these order blocks.
930 fair value gap fails and we attack some sell side.
Order
Stop
working.
and break
We
even.
have a little over 5 minutes to
Stop filled.
Okay. Should just
Order
enter
cancelled.
the 950 macro.
should just went for 10 points. Dang it.
Look at ES. There's no 930 fair value gap yet. There's no displacement thus far.
But that might have been an OT entry for short. Let's see. Back into that breaker. I think I'm gonna buy 5.
Order filled.
Nope. See how we
Reverse
react
low.
here.
Back into this breaker.
Don't want to see this breaker fail.
And on S&P.
Not in a
Just
macro
short
time,
that
so
930 fair value gap. So this is going to be a 930 BPR unless in the next 20 seconds they bring it up here.
Order filled.
just gonna get out of
This
there.
is going to be useful for the session.
I'm gonna trade MES. This is
2
just
minutes from the 950 macro. Let's see if they fill it.
50.
Yeah, no BPR. They did come into it. This is an inversion at the moment, right? Let's see where we close here. So, we could reject out of this. I'm not taking this though. One, because of everything we mentioned in the profile, I want to require more. And we just purge this swing low here. Okay, I want to see where we are and what signatures we see during the 950 macro. Okay, you would want to see it. Actually, let's look at ES. If ES can come down to this 533825, reminds everyone that is the swing low for 5 a.m. Then if we continue lower, we'll have to see. Last Friday's low. Remember, we're in the Friday range from this high. This low. This is a good reaction.
Yeah, definitely.
Probably random right there, right? Back to 930 opening price.
No, we're gonna run sell side. I think that was just an OTE backup. Let's see here. So we're reacting this 5-minute OB. So we're on a 5-minute order block. 1-minute breaker failed. I want to see longs that take London, but
Again, guys, just waiting for the 950 macro. And this was a valid short, but you do have to understand, like I said, I want highest probability trading today, right? We purged this swing low here. This is still valid, especially since we had the engineered sell side liquidity here, falling just short of that higher time frame, right?
respecting this bearish order block here. I'm on 1 minute, so I think we're going down. Yeah, we got a big respect of this 15-minute.
We have this order block coming out of the 930 fair value gap. Okay, so this should be a high probability bearish order block. Okay, unless they chop it around. 1 minute till the macro.
want to see a sweep of NQ. Want to see ES leave those. Create an SMT.
Look in ES.
And
930
then,
opens up here.
First go back to take London
Sticker
highs.
gray line. Sticky price action. No displacement. Okay, 950 open.
Alright, 950 macro. Let's see what we do here. Let's see a sweep here, and then back up.
Yes, and the indicator I mentioned, I believe it was a week or two ago, right? That is, we're working on behind the scenes. It will be more in depth, but as a beta version to kind of just get the swing of it. It'll be things like this where you don't have to spend your time labeling all this stuff. Eventually, it'll label high probability inversions, high probability BPRs, macro signatures, all that stuff, and it'll be beautiful. It doesn't mean you guys get lazy with it. That doesn't mean I don't get lazy with it. I'm looking at mean threshold of this here. Right, but it's just to assist you in your learning. Look at S&P. Get our macro open here. So we are currently above. Okay, so this is the reaction you want to see hold for that if we can go short now. If not, you might have to refer back up to here, okay, or chop it around. Green's still a bit blurry. I'll fix that. I'll look into that.
Find a minute order block here. On ES.
So if we're gonna go get the lows now, you really don't want to see us revisit this, at least on a closing basis. Okay. I'm referring to mean threshold of this order block.
Just chopping around in this
So
order
unfortunately,
block.
you have a 10 a.m. close.
This order block is just supporting price right here.
Okay, let's see if we can draw down to the lows now. If they bring it back up with this low here.
We get this sweep here. Definitely bearish. Definitely bearish.
TikTok, TikTok. 953. We're right at 930 opening price. Okay.
We stab into this. I think this is a good soup at
At the moment,
94.
let's get this labeled as we wait to see what the price wants to do. Sure, opening range high.
I'm gonna look for a soup long after we sweep here. Maybe. Come on. We have lots of sell side below.
Okay, so this here, this reaction, looking at this here, right, and my mouse lags. We just got this swing low, I'm referring to 947, okay? This is one of the things where, on days like today, right, and look at the reaction here, okay? On days like today, you want to take at least partials on scalps and be content with enough with the profile we have today, right? Even if we have clear cell side liquidity pool, engineered cell side liquidity, we know that if it's potential, right, the likelihood of seek and destroy being increased is apparent based on the things we discussed, right? We want to, if we do get that move, be content with enough, right? Because the market's more likely to do things.
And I should have just
now.
scalped this 10 points. I had like
It's a place to wait
15
here.
points here at one
You see
point.
the bearish
I
signal
should have just
you
scalped it.
identify your liquidity pools. And the bearish
Oh
signal
yeah.
this wick above,
Didn't even follow my own.
should be high, classified, label this as high probability bearish order block, right?
My own
Why is
rules
that?
there.
Because it's rejecting out of this 930 fair value gap, right?
I went long here.
This is expected to push prices
Quick
down. And what's the rule of thumb
OB
for
play, but
order blocks?
got out at break even. I should have just scalped it. I was going for London highs. That didn't work. I mean, a day like today, I just got to scalp 10 points, 10, 50 points, maybe 20, and be done.
And we went above macro opening price right at 950. Okay, so this
So, still within this current range.
Like me, I waited to see if we closed here, sacrifice some points, and I'm scalping this here. Okay, on normal days when I don't have potential seek and destroy protocol,
Looks like maybe seek and destroy. Let's see here.
who stopped even, or I only had one contract. I would have multiple contracts on because I would be more confident in this determinants getting delivered.
I went long here. Took a little. I got out because I didn't like it.
And
And,
so
So 5-minute OB is still holding, but we're just in between price. Super unclear. 15-minute, 30-minute CB inverse, bringing us down. I want to see a sweep this low on NQ, leave the low here on ES, creating SMT, and then back up to attack buy side.
And this actually, this is good. So price is fractal, right? This is what we were discussing on the hourly chart when Kathy was asking about the quadrants of that wick.
Oh, we got SMT here.
If we
Hold
have
on.
SMT and we understand the profile of today, right?
Okay, we got SMT on the 1 minute.
Makes it available. So now if I didn't take my contract
So
there,
this is a good long.
right, and was getting greedy and didn't understand the profile, okay, I'd be underwater here and I would
We're just in between this range though. Man, no sweep. Gosh dang it. So OB failed. 5-minute order block held.
Right, so it's a 10-point scalp.
940. Yeah, 940 is above this new week opening gap. When did you get in? Are you in long? Fancy?
Being satisfied with the moves you get, understanding the profile of today, right? You're gonna do things like this more likely than not. On top of that, we have that S&T here. Okay. 950 high. And again, those little nuances, those little scenarios we find ourselves
Man, this
in
is
as
just
traders
so
are the hardest parts. How do you make objective decisions when you have capital at risk?
unclear to me. We're
That
getting
moment you
support
guys
from
probably
this
are
5
nice to
minutes
see this. The moment
order
you
block here,
are
but
unsure if price is gonna
we're
deliver,
getting
you have
resistance
doubt,
from
you get
all
nervous,
these
whatever,
15-minute
feel the trade
CB,
or reduce risk,
got
right?
hourly,
And then just be disconnected from the outcome. Sometimes you'll be like, okay,
hourly
that's a good
CB
decision.
here, plus
I
the order
avoid a
block.
loss, but sometimes it'll go to
I
your
mean,
target.
that's definitely,
Be
I'm more
objective,
bearish for
but
sure.
still just focus on the skill set, which is number one.
Dang, I should have went short right there. That would have been a good short. That soup short right there. That is 930 FEG
Still do see the
at
bodies
50%.
respecting this 930 fair value gap above macro opening price. Okay. Let's see what NAM closed at. And right now, to be honest, right, it would be nice to see it roll over to sell side, gun to my head, but one once you can argue both directions, right, you don't want to find yourself in those scenarios often as a
Yeah,
trader.
this is I got an 18.
And before I forget, as we watch this chop here, yes,
Oh, you're short.
okay, we do have these two
Bearish
consecutive series where
breaker.
ES
Oh, you just get in this OT.
It's a 930 fair value gap
18 what?
for S&P. This was the longest it took to have some displacement on ES in a while. Huh? The 1 minute BISI at 956 and the 957 BISI that followed, two consecutive BISIs.
I think we're gonna take Southsider here.
Just closed in that BISI, I believe.
So we got
The hourly.
see any
Yes, we respected that there.
okay, we're above the 930 opening price. If we get a
So NAS, right? There should, looking at this hourly chart, there should be no reason to go up unless it's seek and destroy or just wants to rip the highs, right? You really want to see it roll over. That's what I say kind of in my head, but I understand the profile of the day. This is not the chart. So, right? Lighting Zap, can I clarify the ES 930 for value? Yeah.
we're definitely
So 930
bearish.
opening here. Chop, 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 chop. No displacement. And then we have two consecutive civvies here. So if I'm just looking at the first one here, it's this small one here. Okay, but when it's this small, if I just click on this box, look the right side, it's a quarter of a point. If we have two consecutive, then I'll use both.
We got big. We got this big 5-minute order block to displace through. If you want to see these lows taken, I would just reach for these lows right here at 894.
And then we're working this level during the
Cause man, it is choppy as friggin'
So if NAS is to roll over, you
heck,
want to see
dude.
if ES can get below this.
So we got order block right there. Let's see if we get order block. It's choppy, man. Super. It's like seek and destroy. Potentially. We got ES. Very uncorrelated with NQ. ES moving up. Yeah, it's
You
gonna
guys,
chop
me
around.
and RTP will be on like collab often. You just have to take care of it. We've got a busy week with stuff outside the charts. We'll still be on 8 to 9, but we'll try to get on together as much as possible. I do want to, since he's just getting in the swing of things with you guys, I want to let him do his thing so you guys can understand his strategy, how he reads price, how he utilized the economic calendar. Okay, instead of just me yapping away, you guys know how I trade. Okay, but we will combine concepts and do collab streams and stuff.
You see this 930 gap tapped in again. So your macro is
Body's respecting that 30 opening here.
dang it, too slow on that entry.
So I'm really just watching now if ES does get this 9:30 a.m. 1 minute swing high
Ooh,
at
if we
48.25, that's your opening range high, a session high.
we got a
How does NASDAQ
we got a big
react
SMT here.
afterwards? Does it show signs of playing catch up with what ICT coins the six sister approach, right? Or do we see signs of NASDAQ remaining weak and roll over? Okay, that's all I'm watching for now. I have no trade on. I'm really just the only thing to note, right? We did get
ES
up
hit these
right at
highs.
9:30 open. But the only thing to note at the moment is this 9:30 fair value gap and this order block looking at on NASDAQ and ES, this 9:30 fair value gap here. Okay. On top of the fact, let's say we do close below this 9:30 fair value gap, that would be significant because look on the right side. Remember, we have that hourly BISI low, hourly BISI high. This significant inefficiency is right at that low of the higher time frame level, so that makes this even more important to us. If we close below this, I think it's likely that we come down here.
What is
For that to occur, though, I would want to see and not leave equal
groceries?
highs.
Groceries outside? Oh, cause somebody brought the groceries. Can we get them?
So
Man, it's so uncorrelated right now. Just chopping around.
So we're jammed between 930 opening price and this order block here. The bodies are still being respected.
Not much to talk about, just chopping around. I'm gonna look at the 30-second to see if I get zoomed in a little bit more.
Yeah, referring to the up close candle at 945. See if ES gets this. Yeah, ES got this opening range high. Now I'm looking at NASDAQ. See if NAS holds this SMT and rolls over.
Yeah, I think we're about to hit sell side here with Nas.
So now for the confidence for that to happen, you don't want to see NAS close above this main threshold here.
Yeah.
And ES too, just using both and this. But this is still, right? Not ideal conditions, right? We're just internalizing this market, this algorithm, doing the best we can here.
So uncorrelated. I'm gonna. Yes, going up.
6, we're still in this macro window.
And keep going down. I mean, super ugly delivery. An 18 inverted Sibity.
See how this 50-minute body totals here.
Whoa, here we go. Got a big SMT here.
So we're looking for the closures of these candles, right? The body toe story.
I'm gonna
Order working.
see if we can get a fill right there. Oh, come on.
Inside of this consolidation.
I like that SMT and the rejection. Oh, no. No fill. Gosh dang it. 48.
So 930, lower time frame, significant fair value gap. Inside of a higher time frame.
Order filled.
Yep. Got fill on there.
Right, and if we use
Shoot.
just basic power of 3, 10 a.m. open is here. Open, refer to that lower time frame, significant
Shoot.
breakaway gap, expand to the
I'm gonna
highs.
see us reject here.
Now just trying to determine if NAS is going to play catch up.
Yeah, I hope Nas doesn't play catch up because
Remember, this
we
is
got
that
SMT,
hourly portion, this orange box.
but I don't know if I trust this. Let me see. Entry might have been a little premature.
We can take it off and just have the lines here.
If we close above this 930 FEG, then I'm done. Then I'll be closed out. So we get to the 5 here.
Order working.
Oops.
Order cancelled.
And it's the volume imbalance
I'm
here.
short.
So we gotta include that.
Here.
Order working.
Dang it. I think I got into crap. Okay.
So going back to looking at the closures here, but going back to this scalp, right? Why you
See if we
I know
close
it was
above.
in hindsight why I took it off here, right? But at this moment, the logic is because of the profile I'm discussing,
Ah,
right,
shoot.
and the SMT right here, the lows, I don't know in the heat of this moment when it gets purged if it's going to come all the way down here. Today it was good, obviously in hindsight. I locked in that little scalp for
Okay, I'm
profit,
closing it. We're closing
setting it
above that
up,
FEG.
right? But look at
Order
the
cancelled.
Gosh dang it. Alright, first loss of the
time
day.
I did speak about, right, where you take this off to be more conservative, right, because you understand the profile,
Crap.
especially if it's S&P in the lower time frame and we know its potential for seek and destroy, okay, there will be times where I'll make this decision, take this off, and then I'll see it fall, right, but I'm still rating my performance as a trader. That's still the right decision to make, right, so here, it was good that I did that. I locked in profit before it would have stopped me out and then chopped around and now expanded to the high will be days, like I mentioned, where I'll take this off and it'll sell another, what would this be? 88, 77, another 10, 20 points, whatever, to whatever targets next.
Got the CISC still supporting price. This 5 minute.
This is your range low.
Just chopping around in this range.
And the old me, when I was early on in my journey, would get frustrated at this here, right? And when in reality, you have to remain objective. And I've said it a million times, you hear other traders say it online, you guys know, all we're really doing is making decisions utilizing concepts, reading price, right? So in my opinion, this was still the right decision. We had a way to involve ourselves short using 930 fair value gap and this high probability order block until this was met, right? And that is that playing catch up. So look here, 1007, closure above that high probability order block.
Block
Right? That
failed.
shouldn't have happened here. So we have our opening range high. This S&P is technically still holding, right?
Macro's over. 710.
Right, for us to deliver to sell side here, right, we should have expanded lower right here. Right after
This looks like seek and destroy. I don't even know. This is so choppy.
here, because if we use we've been bullish recently, so you guys probably recall me saying like deeper discount objective. And I'm looking at this BPR here. Side note. So I expanded my 930 fair value gap from the 934 busy was here, and the high of it was 908.75. Now we have this busy passing through, so I'm using that extreme high in close proximity to that. Buy side delivery, sell side delivery, a lot of time in here, right? We want to see if we can expand higher, but we shouldn't have closed above mean threshold of this high probability order block because we're classifying it as that in and of itself. But like I was mentioning,
Let's see how this 15 minute closes.
so
If we close above
talking about deeper discount objectives
this
being
15
completed,
minute, creating a 15 minute inversion,
for this.
then we're definitely
This
bullish.
high probability order block, we want to see this reaction here, where we don't
Potentially up to
threshold,
this
right? Here we
15 minute
do
high,
mean threshold
this candle
and refer
of
back to this 930
024.
fair value gap, then we reclaim it, right? This is that deeper premium objective being completed, right? So best case for a short to the lows here, like I mentioned, this retracement here was not ideal, but we're still seeing respect to that significant inefficiency right above the 930 fair value gap. Then we reclaim it, and we start to see those signatures. That's why after we displaced away from it, right, we should not have closed back above here, right? We're going to go get the close now, okay? This S&P at the highs is to the point. Let me delete this here.
Whoa, okay, we got a big S&T here.
Yes. For back to hourly city. That's a great reaction.
Yeah, hourly civvy. Hourly inversion. No, that's not inversion. Yeah, that's an inversion here.
Get this box off the chart.
Okay, so we got a SMT here. So bearish. Got a nice big down close candle. This should either be the protected high since it's SMT.
Higher high. At 30, 15 minutes.
Okay, is this 50 minute gonna close? Let me wait to see if excuse me. If this 50 minute doesn't close.
Okay, this BPR is my line in the sand here. For shorts, you don't want to see this get filled. If we close back below the BPR and this here, we'll probably go get the highs. Okay.
close. But okay, so I think we're still bearish. We're not gonna inverse this 15-minute SIBI, so I think we're still bearish. So there's the close. Yeah, no close. We're still respecting this 15-minute SIBI.
So I want to see if we get below this. We want to see this much price down. We're not below yet.
So within this range, 930 is right at equilibrium there. 930 FAG is right at this equilibrium of this range.
S&P.
And then this is the current range right here.
This is really of significance.
I really wanna
This is the only thing for me right now. It's 930 fair value gap. Again, that's your 956 and 957 consecutive 1-minute BISCs I'm referring to. Back at the high of this hourly BISC. Sloppy price action thus far.
20 points. This is going to be protective high right here if this SMT holds. So uncorrelated. Man,
Okay, let's see if we can go get,
didn't get entry.
see if we close below here.
This is not even worth, this price action is not even worth getting in. I was trying to force a trade, revenge trade, but I'm going to stay away. It's not worth getting in, so uncorrelated, low probability.
You don't want to see a slowdown in here.
We created an hourly order block. Yeah, I think we're definitely bearish. We're gonna go down here. I'm gonna get in one contract right there.
Order filled.
Just scalp a couple points here.
Order working.
91.
Order block here out of this 930 PPR. If we close above this, it's not an ideal scenario for price action. I know I keep saying it, but on top of everything we've already discussed, the profile of this, we really want to require more first steps. That's the midpoint of that. Right at the top of this hourly BISC.
I want to see this order block hold. That was a terrible entry. Gosh dang it. Got in too impatient. That entry. Let's see the OB.
Right, and this is kind of, let's look at this, just close this candle. You do want to know to identify your lower time frame signatures, right? 930 fair value gap, high probability order blocks, use that in tandem with the profile of the week, right? Potential seek destroy. Right, so days like today, these high probability signatures are more likely to fail. Okay, so that goes back to what I was saying, being more conservative when you do have opportunity, right? You want to wait for the best of the best setups where it's not seek and destroy protocol. The market is clearly saying go in one direction. So look at this. We have these lows here, and we have these highs up here. And it's a Monday with no red folder news.
Order filled. Order rejected.
You want to wait for those pristine conditions where it's saying, okay, literally,
Order filled. Rejected.
Hey, what's going on? Why is it doing that? Fine.
and on top of this fact,
What's
we
going
have
on?
equal highs, equal lows with the range. What do we do, guys? What's the best thing to do when we have it?
Dang it, I didn't get filled there? Gosh.
Rule of thumb.
So this trade got scared for a second. Good. So good though. Partial recent and stopped at break even.
Sit on our hands and wait.
Yeah, dude, this is chop chop. I'm gonna trust this SMT.
I know I always say it, and you hear other people say it, but
Gosh dang it,
this
man.
game is it's so psychological. So obviously these days you can, especially if you're trying to catch every fluctuation in price, and you're getting stopped out of the secret where they're taking highs, they're taking lows, they're bringing it real close to your target, and then they reverse it, then they bring it real close to stopping you out, and it comes back to your entry, and you're like, wait, should I hold, should I not? It's playing games with you, right? And it's of course gonna blow your accounts by
I don't get it. Order rejected.
And then you're gonna feel like the worst trader
Frick.
that you actually are. You know what you're looking for. You just understand these conditions. So here,
Gosh.
days
Look
like
at this BPR's last line of defense.
destroy where you want to see mean threshold.
Let's see this.
Right, outside of this 930 BPR, right? We have equal lows, equal
Why
highs,
can't I
all
short
these
here?
highs here,
I don't get it.
these relative equal highs, okay? So these things are more likely to fail here. So we can just avoid losing trades
This is crap.
knowing where we are. So like this
Okay,
would
no.
have been a setup, right? Closure below here, this retracement. for
SMT.
sure,
I don't think it's.
right?
Is it gonna hold?
This could have been a setup on a normal day, right?
I want to short right there, but I can't.
Essentially a winning trade. Think about that. It's a winning
Order
decision,
filled.
right? Going back to
Why?
the fact that we're just decision makers, right?
Let's see this. Nope. Okay.
Goes back above 930 PPR, right? Because on a normal day, this PPR
I'm
should
done.
not be
Order cancelled.
Done for the day. Dang it. Down freaking
problem getting back through.
$800. Gosh.
So we should go get the highs now. They bring it back.
Yeah, man. I'm done, dude. I'm done for the day. I'm just past my.
Absolutely no trading for me.
Damn. I'm only up $1,800 on this account. I'm done for the day. This is just crap. Might get better at 11:30, honestly, on seek and destroy days like this.
Okay.
SMT broke.
Push there. Let's get ES.
Price is just not allowing me to get in.
Okay.
Alright, I'm done. I'm done streaming. Just gonna call it.
I feel like we have a ton of stuff in our team.
Man.
Clean up.
Now we're gonna go for London highs. We're gonna get support from here. Frig. Alright, I'm done. Alright guys, see you next time. Got some bad entries. Man, and we're gonna go for London highs. I'm so FOMOing right now. Just got disrespected. SMT's not holding. Five-minute close above. Man, I should have trusted my bullish bias with this 5-minute CISD. It was so unclear to me though, so I can't.
Gap high again.
Okay, now we're gonna go. We got like a 1 hour. I think we're hitting up here. We have an hourly. CRT, I think. It's a breaker. No, I'm not gonna get in. I'm too much on tilt. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.